Hi, this is Leah Schaefer on behalf of ExpertVillage. Today we're going to learn how to make a healthy vegetarian Lebanese feast. I'm going to go ahead and turn the processor on low and pulse it. And this one will have to be a little careful because some of these chickpeas or beans might fly out on us. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of water just to bring it together. We want to make sure we can form these into patties, so we're going to need it to be nice and moist. Okay. Now we're going to need to scrape down the sides with our spatula just to make sure everything gets mixed in. And this is just about the perfect consistency to form into patties or little balls. So we'll do one more buzz around with the processor and we'll be ready to start forming them so we can fry them. And that looks good.